Hi there! It's time for NHK World Japan's Easy Japanese. I'm Eriko Kojima.
And I'm Michael Reese. Let's have fun learning Japanese together. Today, we bring you Lesson 46, Part 2 on expressing multiple impressions. Almost a year has passed since Tam arrived in Japan from Vietnam. All of the residents of Harusan House have gone on a trip to Kyoto. They're about to stay at a Japanese inn in an old machiya building. Machiya are old wooden townhouses that line narrow streets. They used to be homes of merchants and craftsmen. Nowadays, some are rented out by the night.
Listen to the skit for Lesson 46.
さあ、着いたよ。
ごめんください。おいでやす。お部屋はこちらです。わあ、素敵なお部屋。お庭もあります。小さいけど綺麗ですね。
Now let's go through the skit line by line.
In front of a machiya, Kaito says,
さあ、着いたよ。
Okay, here we are.
Mia opens the sliding door and says,
ごめんください。
Hello.
The inn's owner replies in the Kyoto dialect,
おいでやす。
Welcome.
The owner leads Tam and the others to their room and says,
お部屋はこちらです。
Your room is this way.
They are led to a traditional Japanese-style room. Mia is impressed.
わあ、素敵なお部屋。
Wow, what a fantastic room.
Tam says,
お庭もあります。
It's even got a garden.
小さいけど綺麗ですね。
It's small, but beautiful.
Well, Tam and the others seem thrilled about the machiya.
With good reason. A Kyoto machiya is long and narrow. The residential space extends deep inside. It also has a small, beautiful courtyard garden. Stone lanterns and different shades of green highlight the garden. You can stay right in your room and enjoy the view.
Today's key phrase is, it's small but beautiful.
小さいけど綺麗ですね。
Once you learn this pattern, you'll be able to express multiple impressions.
First, let's examine the key phrase. 小さい means small and is an E adjective. けど is but. 小さいけど means small but. 綺麗です is the na adjective 綺麗な beautiful with the na taken away and des attached. Now today's point. To combine contrasting sentences, use kedo. In the key phrase, the sentences that concern the machiya's garden, it's small, and it's beautiful are connected with kedo.
So you can express various impressions by using kedo.
That's right. Kedo can be added to sentences with, for example, E adjectives, na adjectives, and verbs. In the sentences that come before kedo, the plain style, without desu or masu, sounds more natural. The plain style of E adjectives, such as 小さい, small, can be made by not putting des, remember?
All right then, listen and repeat.
小さいけど綺麗ですね。小さいけど綺麗ですね。
Okay, got it? Now listen to a woman expressing her impression by connecting contrasting ideas. She's trying to choose a hotel from an online travel site with her Japanese friend.
このホテルはどうですか？綺麗だけど高いですね。
Here's what it means. The Japanese woman makes a proposal.
このホテルはどうですか？
How about this hotel?
このホテル means this hotel. And どう is an interrogative meaning how about.
綺麗だけど高いですね。
It's beautiful but expensive.
Is something people say when they can't make up their mind. 綺麗だけど comes from the not adjective 綺麗な, beautiful. Its sentence form is 綺麗です, which is changed to the plain style 綺麗だ with kedo attached. With not adjectives and nouns, the plain style is made by replacing this with da. Adding kedo to that turns it into だけど.
Listen and repeat.
綺麗だけど。綺麗だけど高いですね。
Let's try with another situation. Imagine you've just gone to an amusement park. Tell your friend that you got tired, but it was fun.
Here, for the verb to get tired, you use
疲れる。
the past tense got tired in the plain style is
疲れた。疲れた。
This is the ta form. It was fun is
楽しかったです。楽しかったです。
Now go ahead and try.
疲れたけど楽しかったです。疲れたけど楽しかったです。
Today's bonus phrase is what Mia said as she entered the machiya. Memorize it.
ごめんください。
ごめんください means hello or excuse me and is used when entering someone's house. You usually say it from outside of the house to the person inside.
Listen to various people say this phrase.
ごめんください。
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 Now it's your turn. Listen and repeat.
ごめんください。
Listen to today's skit one more time.
さあ着いたよ。
ごめんください。おいでやす。お部屋はこちらです。わあ、素敵なお部屋。お庭もあります。小さいけど綺麗ですね。ミーヤーのトラベルガイド。
It's time for Mia's travel guide, and today we'll talk about Kyoto, a place that draws tourists from around the world.
Kyoto has lots of fascinating spots to visit.
The ancient capital has centuries-old temples, shrines, castles, gardens, and so on. For example, Kyomizu-dera Temple is known for the main hall's stage jutting out over a cliff. Ryoranji Temple has an exquisite rock garden. Fushimi Inari Taisha Shrine has a tunnel of gates, and the palace of Nijojo Castle has an eye-catching, elaborate interior decor.
Just strolling around is fun too.
Sure, it's nice to take a leisurely walk through the back streets lined with machiya, or along the river. If you get tired, drop by a traditional cafe for Japanese sweets. Wherever you visit, you won't be disappointed.
We hope you enjoyed today's Easy Japanese.
Tune in next time.